Hey, what's going on, everybody? Sorry if there's wind noise and cicada noise, but it is a very hot summer. If you're new to the channel, my name is Felix. And I do a lot of car content usually, but part of that car content comes with cool devices that you kind of need to keep up with the car industry, especially in the YouTube video making world. And I went ahead and decided to get a DJI Mini 4K. Now it is really small. Put the remote down. You see right here, fits in the palm of my hand. Really good for travel size, especially when you're on the go as much as I am going to different car shows and everything. Um, it's a versatile little thing, and you get cool shots just like this one right here. And what I want to do is kind of want to push the capabilities of the Mini 4K. It is a pretty cool little drone, and I've had a lot of fun with it. But this is my first drone, and I'm not like the most biggest drone expert, obviously. And I want to see how far I could take this thing before it's like in critical danger and everything like that. And it is a bit of a windy day, so we'll see if that plays into a factor on this. And there's a lot of birds out. There are a lot of birds flying around, so hopefully that won't be an issue with my drone. Now there are a lot of hawks out here who are looking, and I've had them kind of like investigate my drone a little bit to see if that's something they could pick off. And hopefully they're just curious and don't actually attack the thing, because it would be a real shame to actually swoop down and try to attack it. But let's see how far we could really push the Mini 4K out distance wise before it can safely come home. Now there is a giant field behind me that goes on all the way towards Weatherford. So I'm thinking hopefully we can get around like maybe a mile and a half, two maybe. I don't know. I'm not quite sure. So let's get the drone in the air and see what we can do. Okay, first things first, you want to unfold it. So this comes out, the little parts come out first, and then these swing out backwards, kick back. So do it again on this side, pull out, and then kick back. Our drone is ready to go. Here we have the back buttons. You just push it twice. It's ready to go. Just go put it on the ground. All right, so the next part is the DJI remote. This is what came with the kit. It uses your phone. It has the little toggles at the bottom there. All you do is turn it on, same thing, push, and then push again, hold it down, and it should connect. Folds up, so you can put your phone in here. Now I have a Galaxy S4 Ultra Plus, or whatever it's called, and so this fits my phone comfortably as long as I take off the case. Let's do that now. So I got my phone connected. Just plug it in, and then we go to the Fly app, the DJI Fly map, hopefully. There we go. You see it's already connected. Hopefully you see that it's connected. Let me put the little things on. Okay, so we're all good to go. You push the little button up here to take off. You hold it down. There it is in the air. Control it around like that. Just turn on some of the recording. And let's get it up in the air. Okay, so it looks like we're about, it's going to take it to like 100 feet. And then we'll go ahead and aim straight. And we're in normal mode. Go ahead and put it in sports mode. That way it gets there faster. And well, let's do that. Just in case there's some tall trees. We'll tilt the camera down a little bit so we don't get too much blown out. And then let's just go forward. See what's out there. And now we're just gonna cruise on straight. Keep going. We'll just see what's out here in this empty field. I want y'all to see all the hawks that are flying around my drone. Maybe try to get a different angle. I don't know if it's blown out or not, but you can definitely see that hawk. He's evaluating what's going on here. So unfortunately, because it's so windy, you can see it kind of moving around. I'll try to get closer to the camera. It's moving quite a bit. I like how it works like that. You put down on it. But like I said, unfortunately, we're just not going to be able to get to do a full distance because how much wind is out there. And unfortunately, that's usually the case around here because we live in such a open area where so much wind gets blown back and forth and everything like that. But I think the first initial test run was the best because it actually showed us where its signal starts to drop off. Now, I will do the calculation, and here it is on the screen of how far we actually went because I don't know meters. I do know feet and miles better. So here it is. But not a bad test run. I wish it would have been better. Next video, I will go somewhere where it's a little bit more user-friendly as far as wind. There's a lot of wind right now. Down here, I'll take off my hair and you can see it blowing and everything. See, whee, my little wispies. But come back again. We'll do more car content if you're into that with the drone. We'll do more landscapes. I do plan on going to other places and shooting more. Maybe we'll do how far you can go and everything like that. And then maybe we'll get a new controller, you know. So so I can get another controller. If I can get 100 likes, my wife will probably let me get a new one. So if we could do 100 likes, that'd be really awesome of you guys. And then we could really fully do the capabilities of how far a Mini 4K can actually go safely. But don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.